When it comes to improving your West Columbia home, making energy-efficient upgrades is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase comfort, reduce utility bills, and add long-term value to your property. One often overlooked area that can make a big difference in energy consumption is your doors. Energy-efficient doors are not only a smart investment for your home's functionality and aesthetics, but they also offer substantial savings over time by reducing energy costs. If you're a homeowner in West Columbia, here's why choosing energy-efficient doors should be at the top of your home improvement list. Lower energy bills and improved insulation. In West Columbia, where summers can be hot and humid and winters chilly, controlling your home's temperature can become an expensive challenge. Traditional doors made from materials like wood or metal can allow air leaks and heat transfer, causing your air conditioning or heating system to work harder than necessary. Energy-efficient doors, however, are designed to provide superior insulation. These doors often have multi-layer constructions, including insulating cores such as foam or polyurethane, which help prevent heat from entering or escaping your home. This added insulation keeps your indoor temperature regulated, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. As a result, your energy bills will likely decrease, providing significant long-term savings. Enhanced comfort inside your home. In addition to saving money, energy-efficient doors can improve the comfort of your home. If you've ever noticed that certain rooms in your home feel drafty or too warm, it could be due to poorly insulated doors. Drafts can make it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, creating cold spots during the winter or hot areas in the summer. Energy-efficient doors eliminate these drafts by creating a tighter seal. This ensures that warm or cool air stays inside where it belongs. Whether it's the front door, patio door, or garage entry, upgrading to an energy-efficient option will keep your home's interior comfortable all year round. No more sudden temperature fluctuations or uncomfortable drafts. Better environmental impact. In today's world, many homeowners are looking for ways to reduce their environmental footprint. By choosing energy-efficient doors, you are not only improving your home's efficiency but also contributing to energy conservation and reducing overall energy consumption. Doors that are ENERGY STAR certified meet rigorous efficiency standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and the Department of Energy, DOE. By investing in these doors, you're reducing the demand for energy, which can help lower the carbon footprint of your home and reduce the overall impact on the environment. Increased home value. Installing energy-efficient doors can also increase the value of your West Columbia home. Potential buyers are becoming more aware of the benefits of energy efficiency, and a home with energy-efficient features like upgraded doors can be a big selling point. Energy-efficient doors improve both the functionality and appearance of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Since energy-efficient doors are designed to be durable, many buyers see them as a long-term investment that will continue to deliver savings for years to come. If you're considering selling your home in the future, installing these doors now can give you a competitive edge in a crowded market. Variety of styles to match your home's design. One of the great things about energy-efficient doors is that they come in a wide range of styles and materials to suit your specific needs and design preferences. Whether you're looking for a modern, traditional, or coastal-inspired style for your West Columbia home, there are energy-efficient doors available to complement your aesthetic. You can choose from fiberglass, steel, or composite materials, each offering its own benefits in terms of durability and energy performance. Many energy-efficient doors also come with insulated glass, multi-point locking systems, and tight weather seals for added security and protection from the elements. From front doors to patio doors, there are options that fit every part of your home, improving both functionality and curb appeal without compromising on style. Noise reduction. In addition to providing temperature control, energy-efficient doors can also help reduce unwanted external noise. Solid core doors with insulated materials not only block heat and air leaks but can also act as a sound barrier, making your home quieter. This can be particularly beneficial in areas like West Columbia, where homes may be located near busy streets, schools, or neighborhoods with a lot of foot or vehicle traffic. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door can create a more peaceful indoor environment, reducing distractions and providing a calmer, quieter space to relax and enjoy. Minimal maintenance and long-lasting durability. Energy-efficient doors are designed to be highly durable, requiring minimal maintenance over time. Unlike traditional wooden doors that can warp, crack, or rot due to weather exposure, energy-efficient doors made from fiberglass or steel materials are weather-resistant and won't deteriorate as quickly. This makes them an excellent long-term investment. The materials used in these doors are low maintenance, meaning they won't need constant painting or refinishing, saving you both time and money on upkeep. Conclusion: make the smart choice for your West Columbia home. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors is a smart investment for any West Columbia homeowner. These doors provide long-term savings on your energy bills, improve the comfort of your home, and increase its overall value. Additionally, they offer a more sustainable way to live by conserving energy and reducing your environmental footprint. Whether you're improving the front entry to your home, replacing an outdated patio door, or updating the garage entry, there are plenty of stylish, durable, and energy-efficient door options available. By installing energy-efficient doors, you'll enjoy a more comfortable living environment, lower energy costs, and a boost to your home's aesthetic appeal and market value. Start investing in energy-efficient doors today, and enjoy the benefits for years to come.